This video shows how to avoid a very common mistake when learning how to build an emergency shelter. So this is the most common mistake that I see students make right here. They've taken their tie out and they've tied it directly to their tarp via the grommet. Now what happens with this is when you get a lot of wind, this entire grommet risks failing and blowing out when the wind is really howling. So let me show you how we can avoid this. This is what I'll teach my students to do. They'll take a bite from their cord, they'll come up to the grommet like that. Now what they're going to do here is they're going to create a girth hitch. It's sort of hard to see, but I put my finger and my thumb through that bite, roll, and then pull. And what I've done is I've created myself a little loop for me to insert a toggle here. So now I've got that toggle there and I'm not directly tied to the tarp. So as the wind blows, there is some give here, and that's going to protect that grommet from blowing out in the middle of the night when we least need it to fail.